And let's dive deeper into the action with our markets reporters. Taylor, what are you watching?
Well, Joe, I'm taking a look at a pretty simple chart here. If you come to my terminal at GTV Go, it is all about the S&P 500. So often on these programs, we talk about the wild swings that are getting 1-3% moves in any given day. But on that long-term chart, we actually are not making that big of a moves. As you can see in blue, you're getting a 50-day resistance level right at a 29.50. And then in yellow, the 200-day moving average providing a very key support level there at a 28.50. So I would argue until there's some sort of big trade resolution, it looks like the S&P 500 is sort of bouncing around both the 50 and the 200-day moving average. While we're getting a lot of intraday swings, long term, it doesn't seem like the S&P is going anywhere anytime soon. Vildana?
Taylor, I'm looking at the iShares Semiconductor ETF, which is seeing inflows even as we saw trade tensions roiling markets. So if we take a look at some of the flow data, we'll see that investors added about $250 million on Thursday, which was the fund's largest inflow of the year, and then added another $50 million on Friday, even as those trade tensions were intensifying. This is a fund that holds companies like NVIDIA, Qualcomm, Intel, companies that are extremely sensitive to trade headlines due to their China exposure. So it'll be really interesting to watch this space going forward.